Hi there, this is my Bezzera machine that we got just a couple days ago here for Christmas. The three portafilter baskets that I have, this is the one that came with the machine. I get my tamper, fits right in there. Obviously doesn't go below the bevel. This is a 14-gram basket that I purchased that someone had suggested, and the tamper, you can see, fits just about the depth of the tamper into the basket, but then no further, so it does not make it to the bottom of this basket. And finally, there's the triple basket that came with the modified bottomless portafilter, and the tamper fits all the way in to the bottom of this filter. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try with the triple basket again here. Just to see what happens, I'm going to go ahead and just dose up at 21 grams as someone had mentioned, and see what kind of shot we get. So I'm going to use a scale here to make sure I'm accurate. And I'm at 22. 21 grams. All right. I'm tamping with attempting to put a little pressure around the outside edges, as was suggested in several posts. Now this is what 21 grams looks like in the triple basket. So just flush this for a few seconds. Sorry about that, I'm being pokey here for a second. I normally would pull right away once I lock this in to the machine. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to set the timer here so I can see it. Alright, maybe the timer won't pull up and we'll see afterwards. So I'm starting now. That's leaking from the top of this basket. That's not channeling. Yeah, I'm leaking above the basket on the outside here. Okay. I don't see any channeling, but it is, well, I guess I don't know that this is slow for a triple shot. I guess it probably is, because I'm only about to 2 ounces and I don't have a lot of crumb on here. I'm going to go ahead and stop this extraction. But it definitely appears to have some issue. This seems locked in pretty firmly to me. Yeah, and I'm getting water leaking around the filter basket on the outside of it, so yeah, not whole lot of crumb. And I don't think it's going to taste very good either. I'm going to stop this. I'm going to try one more time and see if I can get on video where that water is leaking.